It's important to remember that not all women have the same preferences, so it's impossible to say that all women love the same things. However, here are 5 things that many women might appreciate in a partner. Number 1. Showing kindness and compassion. Many women value caring and empathetic partners. Small gestures like holding the door open or offering support during a difficult time can go a long way in showing kindness and compassion. Number 2. Being a good listener. Women often appreciate a partner who is a good listener and can actively engage in conversations. This means being present, paying attention, and offering support and guidance when needed. Number 3. Being respectful. Respect is essential to any healthy relationship, and women often appreciate a partner who treats them with respect. This means respecting their feelings, opinions, and boundaries and treating them with dignity and kindness. Number 4. Being honest and reliable. Honesty and reliability are essential in any relationship, and women often appreciate a consistent partner who can be trusted. This means being open and honest in communication, reliable and dependable, and someone who can be counted on in times of need. Number 5. Showing support and encouragement. Women often appreciate a supportive and encouraging partner. This means offering support and encouragement during challenging times and celebrating successes and accomplishments together. It can also mean being willing to compromise and make sacrifices to help the relationship grow and thrive.